Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Flexbox. Use the align items property in Twit embed. The last challenge introduced align items property and gave an example. This property can be applied to a few Twit embed elements to align the flex items inside them. So add task, add the CSS property align items to the header dot follow button elements, set the value to center. So it was stretched in the start. So let's change that. Let's set it to align items to center, and we can see that it isn't a straight anymore. It's in the center of the whole row. Vertically means it is giving a space to the either side, means top and bottom, means extreme ends. So that's good. The follow button element should have align items property set to a value of center. So in this case, align items is set to center in the case of follow button. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.